Edison Wamanya akafero mu irwaro rukuru Eriambara Regional Referral aharwa katano ebirabiro na mwenda okuyikumi na kumwe enkumi ibirabiro nena kandogu ayisirwe infection hagati y'enjora nyingi abantu bamusimere ahabwe emirimo eyakorera ihanga.
Dad, I thank God. I'm grateful to God for the time that we had with Daddy. Not a single year he spent on earth was not purposeful. He lived a life that was dedicated, a life that was full of loving.
So everything I could have said here and now and today, my father knows. He knows how much I love him. He knows how much I appreciate him. He knows how much we as his children loved and appreciated him.
He fulfilled the command of our Lord Jesus Christ that husbands love your wives as Christ loves the church.
Omubutumwa bwa mukuru w'ekitongole kya Uganda Wildlife Authority Samuel John Mwanda obwa mushomero wa John Makombo or director wa conservation omukitongole kyawa agizire ngo baferirwe umukozi obiri nayegombwa buri omwe kandi bahire miliyoni 11 kwera eka y'umugenzi no wamanya.
But as the staff of Uganda Wildlife Authority, this has been our brother. We have contributed 11,831,000.
Conservation area yija yarwo mu kitongore yashobora yakora n'ibindi bitongore nabwanyuma yija yagaruka bampa appointment ndijo nka chief warden umurimo gwakozere ukwisiya uwashira kufa ari chief warden wa Lekimburo conservation area abirariyo mukozi wa mani arukundo umurimo gwe kandi akoze umurimo gw'imani umukurwanya saba atabakwenda kwitinyamishwa abantu abakutaha umpako mu banda biragiro nabakwenda ebiragiro binakakwati no kurebera enyamishwa.
Minister wihanga w'ibyo burambuzi ibyo mwishwa n'ibyo buhangwa Martin Mugarura bahinduka ahikira hakuzikoko kandi ashabira abantu okureka kwirukira byensi
mureba ngo mushija be yayombekere amakamarungi kunkanosha yagenda atakariremo kunga still nomanya abantu bijanfu especially mu batakabi abiza kuzika because a generation yamani ngo obintu byensi byone bitukurwane nebi nebushamazima ozoko tekanisa abantu obo mushuma orwane litaka ojumana na nogu iwe tora musiya iwa cyaro niwe ngo byona nuko tukora ki nuko tukugenda
toine cyo kumbanganisa ngwene twaferwa senior officer on wildlife conservation a reliable officer on security za national parks kandi abira close colleague and security pattern.
Minister ona ayihanangirize abana bo mugenzi okutoreza emico yishebo kandi ka ministry ebaraganise okukwatiraho ekeji
ongagenda kuhamiza family liliani ngo still uwa neza kwataniza niwe kureberera ako becho kiri mu plan ya tibuza kwereza details onganye manyangu either wazimanyire ninganoza kukorana na ba human resource bagambire onka uwa neza kuguma yakusupporting iwe na nabana bawe.
Nko mugenzo gw'ekitongole kya Uganda Wildlife Authority Edison aterirwe amasasi 18 kakamanyiso ka rukundo okumutamu ekitinisa no kumusibura nkemanzi. Edison asigira abana bashatu n'umukazi umwe kandi aferira myaka 5 n'eshatu. Gashakwa Akiza.